Hackett inside, draws the attention of Tavares, misses the layup, and look at this. This is how Madrid have been so effective. Took them 8 minutes to get 6 points in the first quarter, so definitely a big upswing here. Meanwhile, Mario Hezonja says, I got some range as well, and he goes from deep. Hezonja. Close attention paid to him by Awudu Abbas. Fernandez, cross court. They end up in the short shooting hands of Mario Hezonja. Rodriguez, and again it's Hezonja, same spot, same outcome. And that one really hurts. Could be making the mistake of trying to slow this game down, which, well, unless you've got Hezonja out there who making everything, that's 3 in a row. Bologna's goose is cooked. Because Hezonja just keeps lighting them up. Mario Hezonja. Well, you have to say, this has been the most entertaining blowout victory you've ever seen, because Mario Hezonja. Poirier finds Yabusel. Uh-oh. Hezonja, never in doubt. 8 of 11.